Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your RBS account or Royal Bank of Scotland account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened mine, and on the search bar click there and type in rbs.co.uk like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for RBS itself, and on the Google you can see the rbs.co.uk website is on the first of the Google search result. Click over there. Either way you will end up on the same page, and this allow all the cookies to proceed. And after landing on this page, this close on these both are same websites. You can see the login option available at the top right corner of your screen. Click on there, and after that you will be redirected this page, which is the login page of Royal Bank. Now to log into your Royal Bank of Scotland account, type in your customer number over here, and after that enter your card number, and after that you can just simply click on continue to sign into your RBS or your Royal Bank of Scotland account. And if you have not yet created an account for Royal Bank of Scotland, you can just click over here on the sign up here option. You'll be taken to the procedure where you can sign up for Royal Bank of Scotland account. And there guys, this is how you log into your Royal Bank of Scotland account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.